Hello, this is Nikis from Tech Basics. Today we are going to learn how to reset your Tinder account password in iOS device. So let's dive into it. Firstly, ensure you are connected to the internet. Then open up your browser. I am using Google Chrome here. In the search bar, type in tinder.com and click on go. You will get two options saying create account and login. Click on login since we are going to reset our password. And click on trouble logging in. After that, provide the email address of your account. Then click on send email. Now open your email either on browser or through an email application. You will receive the login link there. You will see a login button in the email. There is also another option where you can paste the URL into the browser and login. Simply click on the login button, which seems more practical. Now you will be redirected to your Tinder account. So that is how you can reset the password of your Tinder account. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.